Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Vechain daily update. I'm going to explain why Vechain is going to have a crash and in which target you will be buying so that the next bull cycle for Vechain will start. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, or buy me a coffee. I have the links in the description box in the comment section below. You can see all the benefits. You can cancel anytime you like. Do not worry about that. And if you do not like it, you can cancel. But trust me on that, you will get automated signals with my trading method, which is one very demonstrated and good method. And I'm going to explain to you thoroughly what I preserve right there and what I think about the Feds, how do they trade, and so on. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start with Vechain. So Vechain, in the weekly scale, you can see that VET doesn't have the necessary price movement in order to say that we have a breakout. What do you mean by that, Bill? I'm going to explain what I mean. Right now, you can see that I am on the weekly scale. First of all, this is the 20-day EMA, the yellow line, and the 50-day EMA, right? The red line. You can see that from the time that we had back here, okay, on Monday, 24 January, we never had an exit from these lines. That means the bearish cross happened and then the real bear cycle had started, right? And Vechain is still in a bearish cycle. And many people are asking me, Bill, I've bought Vechain around 0.11, 0.10, 0.75. What is going to happen with Vechain? What is going to happen next? What do I need to do? Simply putting it, you need to hold for more because Vechain is going to go down to near the point 1011, okay, to 12. So around this area, this is the first time that you should be buying Vechain for the first time, okay, around the point 1011 to point 101250. Now, I think that Vechain will be going there. Can we see something positive in the near future? Only if we close above the 50-day MA, this red line, which now sits at around 0.1026. Okay, but as the time goes by and Vechain won't have a breakout, this line will eventually keep going down. Do not forget that moving averages are lagging indicators. That means the price goes first and then these moving averages, especially depending on whether you have them as a 5-day moving average, 20-day, if you increase the days, the more lagging indicator it is. Okay, so we are going right now to see that potentially 0.101855 for Vechain is not a good price yet to buy some more. And eventually Vechain, as we have right now, it could be going further down. Okay, there is some chances, the best thing that Vechain could do right now is to revisit the 50-day MA and then correct, right? But at this moment, we don't have this case because even if I go to the daily frame right now, you can see that we are finding rejection of the 200-day moving average, this white line right here. We are forming a bearish pennant formation in the daily frame. Okay, so nothing is looking good for now. Okay, so basically this is why I'm saying that Vechain is very likely to go down, retesting the lows over the next few weeks, right? Not over the next day. For example, I'm not talking about a crash right now. We might be having a crash, but not like a minus 30% in just one day, right? Okay, we might be having, for example, a crash of around minus 6 to 8% in just one day. This is very logical, but not the minus 30. We are going to go down there to the point 1012 and then you are going to rebuy because around here there's a very huge chance that Vechain will start its bull cycle. Now, what is the worst case that could happen, Bill? Okay, the worst case that could happen is that we go down to the point 2 O's. Okay, we add one more O to the price and we go to the 0.20s, 60, and so on. Okay, so approaching these lows right here could be the worst case that Vechain can do. But apart from that, I think that we are going to start a little bit earlier the bull cycle, as inside the 2023, I think that the market will start its bull cycle again. So basically, Vechain will be going higher, but you need more patience, especially for those that hold in the higher price targets. You need tons of patience, because Vechain is absolutely, I think that it will happen, but we go further down. Now, the first good part about Vechain, if you ask me, it was that it was the first time around here that we broke above the 200-day moving average. This is a sign that Vechain wants to break out, right? Okay, if you check it out, and I go, for example, back here, you will see that Vechain didn't break out the 200-day moving average, found rejection right here again and again back on Friday, 4 November 2022. But around here, it was the first time that we had a breakout. This is a sign of a breakout. I want to have an exit, right? And this is why I'm thinking that it won't be late until we see the correction and then the reaccumulation, okay? Because Vechain wants to break out. It wants to go higher. This is a sign, a bullish sign for the next few weeks. But apart from that, for the time being, please do not buy, or if you want to hold it, you think that, okay, I'm going to hold no matter what we are going to do, because eventually I think that Vechain is a good project. It is good if you do not mind about holding it for like more than 6 months to invest right now, okay? Because from the price that we have back here, we are minus 93% down, right? This can go though to minus 95%, minus 97%. We have seen everything like that, right? But apart from that, you are still buying low. Okay, even if we correct another minus 30% or so on, Vechain is going to approach the highs of 0.108 and so on. So even if we do that, you're just buying low. Do not worry about that. Okay, so basically it is up to you. However, I'm still here to provide you the exact targets and the details for any altcoin. And if you want more details, you can join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.